When I first got started on YouTube, I remember frantically running to my mum to celebrate 25 subscribers. I was like, Mum, do I call LA? Does LA call me?
When I first got started on YouTube, I always kind of had a very clear vision as to what it is I wanted to be creating on the platform.
When I got started to play this very David Blaine, quite serious street magician guy, you have to emulate people to a certain extent, but after a while it's just exhausting. Like, it's much easier to just sit down and honestly be yourself.
I've always been someone who's had this crazy love for talking to people. Creating the platform that I've created is just a representation of what I've always loved, just speaking to people in the way that I do. Oh, my sofa, like in my home, hello.
Whoa! I like magic. I liked making videos with my brother, and we thought, why not put them online?
What? No!
I want to create, of course it's going to be on YouTube. It's the right place for it.
I think I realized I was reaching a global audience when we surpassed the 1 million mark, then 1 million to 2 million. Most of my growth on YouTube was due to shorts.
A major tip for building your audience would be to be really candid with them, ask them questions and let yourself receive the feedback so you know how to better, deliver your content, how to better create like a tight-knit relationship with your audience.
It's very important to keep the main thing, and a lot of people get distracted and get bogged down on little details like, am I using the right caption? Am I posting the right time of day? Are the hashtags right? When really at the end of the day, your main focus should be making a good video.
A tip I have would be to enjoy what you are creating. When you are enjoying what you're creating, it just makes it all the more fun. So for me, number one, prioritize enjoying what you're doing.
The big one probably is consistency, and I know everybody says that, but it's so true. I only really started to see results when we actually set a schedule and we stuck to it. That's when we started to see actual growth.
Another tip would be set out on a mission, whether your aim is to get to 10,000 subscribers or 1,000 subscribers or whatever it looks like for you. It keeps you in alignment, it keeps you focused on something, on a particular goal.
A barrier to being consistent that I often get people saying is that they don't know what to film, and that is fair. I used to happen to me all the time. The way I battle this is to actually take brainstorming seriously. So if you want to grow, get brainstorming, get some good ideas, and then stay consistent.
What is it that you stand for? What is your mission statement? What is the thing that makes you you? What makes people drawn to you?
People should have a sense when they hear your name or your brand as to what that means. If you can actually spend some time thinking about it, I think it's going to serve you very well, and I certainly wish I had done it sooner.
Everything about my personal brand is like how I know I want to add value to the world, and I've just always been someone who's like cared about that side of things.
I made the intention of wanting to make people smile. If someone walks away from my video having done that or even cracked a little laugh, amazement and the magic is actually secondary. I made that decision to do that, and because of that, I think people who enjoy one of my videos will probably enjoy all of them for that reason.
Work-life balance is one of those things that I've had to unfortunately learn the hard way. And I say the hard way because as a creative, you are living out your passion. And because of that, you forget to take care of every other area of your life because you're like, I'm living my passion. And what I realized is that it actually decreases your level of creativity and how well you're actually able to physically work. And so when I started like taking caution of that and actually ensuring that I am prioritizing my work-life balance, life just felt easier.
You have to give yourself a break. Like, I took my first holiday recently for like 5 years, and it was the best thing for me. I actually was nervous going on holiday, then came back finding that I actually was more creative. Isn't that a surprise?